Right, episode 2 of What Do You Think This Is?
Right, this is an interesting little item. It's all made of matches. There's a match in there that goes up the middle. All this is made of matches. She'll perhaps get a close up in a bit, I don't know. Anyway, this is like a bit of string, really, a bit of, braided stuff. And there's a pin goes through there, and there's a wheel there, all made of wood that you turn round. Now, this one ain't too difficult. Where's the bloody match barrel? It's down here. That goes in there like that. See, push it up there like that.
Right, so you got to guess what it is because you can't tell them yet.
Yeah, but I don't think that's very difficult if you want the truth. But anyway, we'll see.
The story behind it is even more fascinating.
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
Right. So there's the close-up. Sorry, we're not very technical, as you can see. It's just I'm filming with my phone. There's that bit. There's that bit. There's that bit. All right. Let us know.